Welcome sa zip9.com. This video tutuloy natin ating series on calculus, no? And sa previous video, ang pinag-usapan natin ay paano ba isolve yung limit ng mga functions kung saan yung expression ay mayroong mga radical signs, no? So, for example, we have dito sa expression natin na meron tayong radical signs sa numerator, no? Sa previous video, sabi natin pwede natin yan pwede natin siya i-simplify by getting the conjugate, no? So, ang conjugate ng a plus b, no, ay a minus b. And from here, meron tayong a minus b where ang a natin ay square root of h plus 2 at ang b natin ay square root of 2, no? So, a minus b tayo. Ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung expression, similar expression only, na plus yung ating operation, no? So, this is equal to, yun yung conjugate niya, no? And from the previous video, nakita natin na minumultiply natin yung expression by the conjugate, you know, both the numerator and the denominator. So, magiging times square root of h plus 2 plus square root of 2 over the same, no? Same expression, square root of h plus 2 plus square root of 2. Now, same siya kasi if we simplify this is just 1. No? So, basically, we're not changing the expression. No? Inumultiply na natin siya sa 1. So, mangyayari, magiging equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of, ano mangyayari dun sa taas? May difference of 2 squares siya, di ba? So, sa difference of 2 squares, diba, a minus b times a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So, isi-square natin yung a. Ano ang square ng h plus 2? Na square of h plus 2. Diba h plus 2? Tapos minus, this is the minus. And then square ng b, no? Minus b squared, which is 2. Tapos sa baba, magiging h, this is our h, and this is, multiply it with square root of h plus 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2. No? So this becomes the limit as h approaches 0 of, ano matitira sa taas? Magiging h lang, di ba? O, wala na yung 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So, magiging h siya. O, dapat paramihan na tayo dito. So, magiging h times quantity squared of h plus 2 plus squared of 2. No? So, ano mangyari? Pwede tayo mag-cancel, di ba? Tayo mag-cancel dito. Ano matitira sa taas? Magiging 1. So, this becomes the limit as h approaches 0 of 1 times square root of h plus 2 plus square root of 2, which is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of, maybe pwede na siguro tayo pwede na tayo mag-substitute. So, magiging 1 over, pag sinubstitute natin yung h, magiging square root of h is square root of 0 plus 2 plus square root of 2, which is equal to 1 over square root of 2 plus square root of 2, which is equal to 1 over 2 square root of 2. Okay, final na ba yan? No, hindi pa, no? Kasi meron tayong radical sa baba. Pag ganyan, di ba, nira-rationalize natin. So, ginagawa natin ay 1 over 2 square root of 2. Para matanggal yung radical, multiply din natin ng square root of 2 over square root of 2. No? Para matanggal to. So, magiging square root of 2 over, what is 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2? This becomes 2, di ba? So, 2 times 2 becomes 4. Square root of 2 over 4. Or, 1/4 square root of 2. Pwede na ito, no? Square root of 2 is over 4 is correct already. Another form is 1/4 times square root of 2. So basically, ganyan lang yung idea, no? I think we have enough examples for the conjugate method. Ang ginagawa lang naman natin is kinukuha natin yung conjugate ng expression na may radical, no? Para makapag-simplify tayo, and then we multiply both by the numerator and the denominator of the original expression. Tapos mag-simplify lang tayo, no? So, isa yan sa mga methods para tayo makapag-solve ng limits, no? Okay, so that's it. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na ito. Gusto ko yung imbitahan sa zipnayan.com, no? Nandiyan yung ating website. Pwede yung puntahan yan, and pwede yung tignan yung mga videos natin. Nandiyan yung mga list ng series, no? Kung saan pwede yung sundan. Of course, you can subscribe to us, no? Sa YouTube. Kung nasa YouTube kayo nanonood ngayon, click nyo lang yung subscribe button para every time na meron kayong bagong video, ay may inform kayo, no? And of course, kung meron kayong tanong, pwede kayong mag-comment. Tapos kung nagustuhan nyo yung video, you can click the like button sa YouTube. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.